Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Bonjour Cuisine, where you find all the best, healthy, delicious, mouth-watering Caribbean food recipes on YouTube. Today, guys, I am going to share with you how to make this, oh my goodness, delicious, saucy tilapia. Let's get started with this recipe. I have this fish fillet here and I have some great seasonings that's going to add lots of flavor. I have tomatoes, onions, and for the list of ingredients that I'm going to season up this with, I have chili flakes pepper, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and what else do I have here? Paprika. So what I'm doing here, guys, I'm mixing all these goodies together and I'm going to create a paste by adding a little bit of oil. You can add olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever that you have handy, all right? So yeah, guys, so it's pretty quick and simple, right? So give it a good stir and create the paste. This is what I'm going to use to season up the fish. All right, so right after I'm done doing that, I'm going to rub this beautiful seasoning all over the fish. All right, guys, be sure that you take your time to marinate this nice and well. Use your hand, this is the best tool that you have in the kitchen. Use your hands, all right? As you can see here, putting it all over the fish and I'm going to take the time to rub it nice and well on both sides, okay? And guess what? This is totally simple, quick and easy. Like, you can do this, all right? If you are new to the kitchen, I need something quick and simple to do, definitely give this recipe a try. Pretty easy and simple. You can actually melt butter if you don't want to use the oil, but yeah. So now I have my nice hot pan that I'm going to melt some butter nice and well. And of course, you can't go wrong with garlic. I'm going to fry some garlic, guys. I mean, the kitchen already smells so nice, you guys. So I'm going to fry this garlic for about a minute and let it turn nice and brown and go ahead and add the fish. Okay, guys, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the heat on low. When I started with this whole process, the heat was on high, but to finish it, you need to keep the heat on low, okay? And I have my fresh tomatoes and my onions because I want to make this a little bit saucy. I know the onions and tomatoes, they are my favorite, so that's why I add these. As you can see, the fish look a little bit dry, right? Nah. We're not going to keep it that way. So this is my technique. I'm going to cover it up with the lid to add some moisture, all right? Now, as you can see, I did not add any water, all right? But this, it just captured all the moisture and now it's saucy. You know, us Caribbean folks, we like to eat our food with a little bit of sauce, right, guys? So this is not dry at all. Yeah, guys, look at this. It is delicious. I mean, definitely, absolutely delicious. Give it a try. So now, as you can see, here's my sauce. And of course, I have some plantain on the side, girl. Yeah. We gotta have that plantain, guys. We gotta have that plantain. If you don't have rice, plantain, sweet plantain is the best to go with this delicious fish. All right, for those of you who are new to this channel, welcome. Take a look around, subscribe, like, share. If you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to place your comment down below. Yeah, guys, definitely give this a try. It is delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with more videos. Bye. Enjoy.